Okay, we are at Hames Hall once again for the Thomas wedding. It is a hot day. Now they expected rain, but this, come on, this is about as hot as it gets. It's a good day. It's gonna be a great one. We're gonna get through it. I'm starting to sweat. I feel a little bit overdressed, but they're doing their wedding in the middle of the day versus an evening wedding, which is different for me schedule-wise, but certainly a brunch wedding is an easy to do. It is now time for cocktail hour. The wedding went well. It was excellent. We're waiting on the announcement of the wedding party. They're gonna take a few pictures. Just gonna play a little music till we get there.
Just come lay beside me.
Anyways, I'm so glad you came to our school. Sit by me at lunch. G2G, Lila's. And then in the bottom corner, she marked out where she wrote, I love you. I guess it was too soon for that.